What if you could remember everything? What if all you had ever looked at, heard, smelled, and tasted was right at your fingertips? Distraction a thing of the past. Anxiety a distant murmur thousands of miles away. And this could all be achieved through one little pill. Fish oil offers to solve many of humanity's medical problems. But is it just snake oil in disguise, or can it really be a cure-all?
Fish oils. You may have heard any number of different claims about their potential benefit, from treating disorders such as ADHD, depression, and Alzheimer's, to generally improving cognitive performance in healthy individuals. Others, however, claim they can be anywhere from ineffective to harmful. We hypothesize that while fish oils may strengthen the body's overall process, indirectly causing increased brain function, they are unlikely to directly improve cognition as a whole for a prolonged period. We researched several articles to get the facts.
First off, what exactly are fish oils? A 2014 article by Oxford explains their function and reviews the current research on the subject. It explains that some of the most important components of fish oils are long-chain omega-3 fatty acids called EPA and DHA. Polyunsaturated fats are a key component of cell membranes, and DHA in particular is the most prevalent PUFA in human brain gray matter. It then reviews several observational studies and randomized clinical trials with varying results. It concludes that insufficient intake of EPA and DHA is detrimental to cognitive performance, and there is potential for increased intake to cause benefits. But there needs to be more randomized clinical trials to be able to conclusively say whether or not they truly make you smarter.
When talking about children, the most common conversation is about the effect of nature versus nurture. Is the genius who can solve high-level arithmetic so smart because he was brought up to study and learn with vigor? Or is he genetically predisposed to grasp the concepts faster than the kid down the street? While these questions are still under the microscope, another question comes to light. Do the nutrients you get when you're a baby affect the later cognitive skills? So can fish oil be the nutrients that gives young children the cognitive upper hand when they grow up? Well, to find out, scientists from Helgenberg decided to use 98 newborn children from Denmark and have their parents feed them milk with fish oil supplements and the other with milk and olive oil. To test the children, they gave them an assignment of processing speed, an appropriate Stroop test, and a strength and difficulties questionnaire at the age of 7. In the end, they found that there was a general downtick in processing of the children taking the fish oil, and other detrimental downticks related specifically to individuals' DNA. This being said, much of the study was inconclusive, and the smaller amounts were found to have small positive effects.
Many senior citizens aged 60 and up take fish oil supplements because it's said to improve brain function. Can omega-3 fatty acids help senior citizens maintain their cognitive performance, or are they just being conned out of their money? A study was conducted in Australia and published in mid-December of 2013. The study states that data received from historical free response questions did not show that consuming higher amounts of omega-3s boost or maintain cognitive function. The study found that senior citizens with higher fish consumption had slower cognitive speed.
While fish oil supplements do not have the evidence to back up their claims of increased performance, the potential is recognized. The claims are exaggerated and are not universal. Insufficient omega-3 is detrimental to your health, but so is too much. In some specific cases, fish oil supplements can improve cognitive performance by increasing overall health slightly. One important thing we learned during our research is that it's important to admit when you don't know something, rather than making assumptions without enough evidence. There just isn't enough research on fish oils yet to be able to make conclusive statements about their effects. We also learned that there is a clear need to get the valid information into the hands of consumers, thus allowing them to accurately make clear and educated decisions about whether or not these supplements will help them.